Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here I am again with one more video, which is unboxing of new iPad. This is 7th generation, 10.2 inch screen, and 128 GB in gold color. And this is just a Wi-Fi model, no cellular. So I just received it, and let's start with unboxing. Off, and I'm going to open this box. Okay, all right. It's taking a bit. All right, so here is our new iPad. Looks really nice. Bigger screen. This is my old iPad. And let us compare the sizes. Old one is little bit smaller. You can look at the screen size. This is also 128 GB. So let's keep this on the side, and let me take these wraps off. And this gold color is rose gold, not the actual gold. Okay, so I got the one with engraving at the back. Okay, look how thin this is. These are the ports. Here's the camera. Here's the engraving. I see these three dots. I'm not sure what these dots are for. This is Touch ID. This is front camera. And this is volume button, and this is the lock, unlock button. There is one mic here, and this is headphone jack. And this is Apple logo. All right, so let's check out in the box. So first thing is lightning cable. And I think these are some logos and instructions, maybe. Yes. What else? Okay, nothing. This is the charger. And that's it. That's it in the box. So again, this is the new iPad, 128 GB.